Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DOYO Live. I want to introduce to you the mayor of the city of Youngstown, Mr. Tito Brown.
Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Come on, we got a long day ahead of us. Let's try that again. How's everybody doing this morning? Well, I just wanted to take a brief moment of your time because I know you want to actually come here from some of the innovation and technology of somebody actually who knows how to turn their cell phone on without their teenager, and that's me. I'm not that tech guy, but I know with technology there's growth. As the mayor of the city of Youngstown, I continuously tell my staff and where I go, we have to work harder, smarter, and do more with less. And you know what the answer to that is? Technology. And we're going into that time frame that anything you do now, everything you do is rotating around technology. So I wanted to come by and say welcome. If you haven't had a chance, or if you get bored, there's an Italian fest going on down at the far east end. I'm just saying, if you get to that point today, I don't think you will, but there's a new DoubleTree hotel. If you didn't get a chance to stay there, anybody stay at the DoubleTree last night? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You get your hot cookie, you get your cookie. And if you didn't have a good donut this morning, one hot cookie's out there with some great donuts. I love to promote my city, my town. And if you didn't get a good cup of coffee, stop across the street for Joe Max Coffee. So I'm one that I like to talk about my community. It's a sad day when you can't tell people about your story about Youngstown. And we have a great story in Youngstown. We have some great people. We have some talented people. We're so talented that as 8 months on the job, I've been looking at what other mayors are doing. And I'm going to talk to Dennis because the U.S. Conference of Mayors, most of them will go and they'll come to a conference like this, and they have what they call the Technology and Innovation Conference. And they have competition from all over, and each mayor will bring their best, their brightest, to see if they can win $10,000, $5,000, but get that name recognition of that new technology, that new innovation. And I'm putting the challenge out today, Dennis, that I want you to help me find the next technology and innovative person so I can take them to the next U.S. Conference of Mayors with me from Youngstown, Ohio, so we can go and win and show them how competitive we are, how great we are, and how smart we are right here in the city of Youngstown. So stay tuned. 2019, we're going to win some competitions in technology. God bless you. Have a great day.